So when you walk in, there's this little area for your stuff and a lock. There's music playing, shoes for inside the room. Here is the sink area, and then you have a shower, and then you have just kind of the toilet area with a smart toilet. And then here you have the bed, TV, little desk, the coffee area, and then I love this thing right here. Not a bad view.
The hotel has a great dining area where you can have breakfast, lunch, or dinner. If you're interested, they usually have a breakfast buffet that you can purchase. They also have a little bar, and when there's no dining hours, you can actually go in and sit down and do some work or just relax there. They also have a laundry facility, which is great if you need to wash while you're on vacation, and they also have a fitness room. It's not very big, but it's super nice because it overlooks the city, and you have a couple of running machines and yoga mats and free weights that you can leverage if you are interested in getting a workout in while you're on vacation. The Sky Spa was easily my favorite part of the hotel. Located on the 31st floor, this serene public bath features both indoor and open air baths, separated for men and women with a stunning panoramic view of the city. There's also a sauna and a cold water bath, making it perfect to just unwind. It's open exclusively to hotel guests, and yes, tattoos are welcome. Just remember, no swimming suits allowed, as it is a traditional Japanese bath experience. I hope you enjoyed this tour of the Candeo Hotel in Osaka. See you next time. Bye-bye.